Hi, this is Shawn. 6-click method to sort any column that you want, the whole page, what the frick ever. If you want to sort columns, you click on the column, it highlights the column. If you want to select the whole page, come on, get out of there. Okay, never mind. If you want to do the whole page, you go up here. Now count the clicks. This is a left click. I'm going to click this box underneath the FX box, the blank box. I'm going to click that, and that will highlight the whole page. Now what we want to do is we want to organize the regions, the number of regions here. We want to, from the grid that has the most regions to the grids that have the less regions, and let's do that. That was one click. We're going to right click now. Keep in mind we're dealing with column F. This is the region column, and we want these in order, numerical order. So we're going to right click. This is click number 2. And we need to scroll till we find sort. So we find sort range. It's right there. This is our third click, left click. Now we want to do our column F here. This is our 5th click. Now someone wants to know the grids that have the most regions. So we want to go backwards, 10 to 1. So we do the Z to A, and we sort. Give it a couple seconds. There you go. Now you have them all in a better order. The undo button is the most important button on this whole freaking sheet. It's faster just to click the undo button and reverse that process, kind of, sort of. So we'll click on the undo button. Give it a couple of seconds. Now we're back to normal. Okay, so what if we want to organize the languages so they're all trumped up together? You know, they just we do the same thing. We can go up here, click the whole sheet. Oh, it's already clicked. We don't have to do that. Then we go down to sort range, and that was column B, right? So we go to column B. We want the whole list sorted by column B sort. And we go ahead and sort. You don't have to do the Z to A thing or anything like that, which makes it a 5-click process, maybe. And we have everything in alphabetical order in the order of languages. If we go all the way to the bottom, you'll see that there's a new language there, which I just caught, called German. If I hadn't done this, I'd never noticed. So it's good that I was requested to do a video, or that I offered to do a video, or whatever. And we got all the Italians here. We know how many Italian grids there are. We got 2 Japanese, 1 Latin, 1 region, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you got it? That's how it's done the Shawn way.